Good gravy, my fellow tube viewers. Today I'm going to show you the location and removal of a 2007 Toyota Yaris crankshaft position sensor. Your first job will be to loosen the lug nuts on your tire. Once you've loosened the lug nuts, proceed to jack your car up. Notice I'm working on dirt, so I decided to throw a nice solid piece of wood underneath my floor jack, which also made it quite easier to lift the car to put my jack underneath. Once you've done that and you've raised your vehicle, proceed to remove your tire. I had put it to the side because I've already put a jack stand under my car. I recommend normally sliding it under the vehicle for extra support in case the vehicle decides it's going to drop off of your jack and jack stand. Once the tire has been removed, quite simply remove your plastic shielding if you have one. I don't have mine on this vehicle, I don't believe. But you're going to come underneath and you'll follow right behind your strut here. We're going to keep going. You'll come up and you'll notice right there on the back of your engine, right underneath where your serpentine belt is located, is your crankshaft position sensor. Now when this thing fails, you will most likely have a rough idle. The car might not start properly. It's just a range of symptoms of timing issues and just your car not functioning like it normally should. It's very important to replace one when you start throwing codes. It's quite simple to remove. All you'll need to remove it is a 10mm wrench. You can try to use a socket and an extension. For some reason I can't fit one on there. So I'm simply just coming in here with a wrench. And we're going to simply loosen that up. Should only take a second. See, I think this was the issue with the socket. Alright. I have decided to use this. Replace the bolt. I'm going to replace my bolt, as you can see, or clean it up if you don't have one to replace it with. Mine's definitely on the messier side. Some rust on there, and looks like maybe somebody's thrown a socket on it before, possibly even me, and damaged some of the corners on it. Once it's loosened, simply remove it with your fingers. To install the crankshaft position sensor is the reversal of this process. Well, I appreciate you guys taking the time to view this video, and I hope it helped you. If you like it, feel free to subscribe, smash the like button. Good day, and I hope all is well.